Okay, so let's say we want to get the current date. Let me just insert right here. So current date. So we could do today. We pass that in. This gives us number. We could come right here and change this to date. So this gives us the day, our current date. So let's say we want to calculate the number of years that has passed after this order was made, or number of months that has passed after this order was made. So I'm gonna Excel is not seeing this field in the same format as this, so I need to change this and this to the same format. So this is in a text formatted format, while this is in a date format. So I need to change it to the same format. So I'm just going to use text, pass this and change it to day, which is actually the same format it is at the moment. We're just formalizing that. So right now this and this are in the same format now. So I can now use date div to find the difference in years. So you pass the later dates first, and then you pass the earlier dates, comma. What you want it to return? Want it to return the number of years that has passed. So you pass in y there as a parameter, and you hit enter. So this returns 7. So 7 years has passed since this date. Okay, if we wanted to know the number of months that has passed, we could do something like month div, the same formula, date div, and then we pass in the first date, pass in the second date, and we pass in m. So 85 months has passed since this date. If you wanted to know the number of days that has passed, you could say something like day div equal to date div, and then the later date, the current date, and then the day. So 2608 days has passed since this order was made. So if I auto fill that now, okay, I'm having an error. That's because of this column right here. So if I fill that, I should have everything now complete for all fields. Okay.